Greetings, my friends. This is Napoleon Hill, speaking to you from the pages of Think and Grow Rich. If you're ready to harness the hidden power within you, to turn your desires and faith into unshakable reality, hear me now. The third step is auto-suggestion. Not a mere trick, not an idle chant, but a mighty force that shapes your subconscious mind, the gateway to all achievement. I've studied the minds of those who built fortunes from nothing, and I tell you this: what you plant in your inner world grows in your outer life. Stop letting doubt or fear take root in your mind. The strength to command your destiny lies within you, waiting to be unleashed. Silence the noise, cast off weakness, and let me show you how to master your own thought. Auto-suggestion, my friends, is the key to your subconscious, the silent realm that drives your every action. It's the voice you speak to yourself, the beliefs you sow day by day. I've seen it work wonders. A man with nothing but a vision spoke his goal aloud until it became his truth, and that truth became his triumph. That's the secret. Your subconscious believes what you tell it, and what it believes, it creates. You've set your desire. You've fueled it with faith. Now you must plant it deep within. Take your aim, be it riches, purpose, or greatness, and write it down, clear and bold. Speak it aloud, morning and night, with feeling, with conviction. See yourself as the victor. Feel the joy of your success. You're not here to be swayed by the world's doubts. You're here to shape your own reality. But auto-suggestion demands more than words. It demands consistency, a fire that never wavers. Every day, repeat your affirmation. I am the master of my fate. My goal is mine. Let it sink into your soul. Let it become your truth. When fear whispers or failure looms, drown it out with this voice. Don't let the world's noise uproot your belief. Their skepticism means nothing. I've learned this from the greats. When you speak to your subconscious with clarity and faith, it listens. It draws to you the forces, the chances, the victories you affirm. Your mind is your sanctuary, and auto-suggestion is its builder. You're the creator of your beliefs, but only if you tend them with unwavering care. Understand this: auto-suggestion is a choice, a daily act of power. It's not for the careless or the doubtful. It's for the bold, the resolute, those who dare to command their thoughts. Don't let past setbacks poison your mind. They're but shadows to be swept away. Don't let others' triumphs make you question your own path. Your journey is yours alone. I've seen men falter, not because they lacked desire or faith, but because they failed to guard their inner world. You must be different. You must choose to speak life into your dreams, to let your affirmations guide your every step. The path to greatness is paved with belief. Will you shape yours?